Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I wanted to show you the limited edition cup of noodles. They have a breakfast with maple syrup, pancakes, sausage, and egg, and also an everything bagel with cream cheese. So we're going to go ahead and taste them and see if they're good. Okay, the first one that I had opened was the breakfast one. And this is what it looks like inside. You can see the eggs and the sausage. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up to the full line with some room temperature water. And then we're going to place it in our microwave for 4 minutes. Okay, I have it in my microwave. You want it uncovered. And it's going to be for 4 minutes. Okay guys, after 4 minutes, this is what they look like. So I'm just going to go ahead and stir them up. You can see the egg right here. The sausage. Okay, I'm going to let them cool down just a little bit, and then I'm going to taste them and let you know if they're good or not. Okay guys, let's see. Okay guys, they are good. You can taste the maple syrup and the sausage. So yeah, this one is good. They sell them at Walmart and they're $1.18. Okay guys, now this is the one I really wanted to taste. It's the everything bagel with cream cheese. So I'm going to do the same. Fill this up to the fill line with some room temperature water and put it in our microwave for 4 minutes. Okay guys, you want to leave this one uncovered also, and remember it's for 4 minutes. Okay guys, this one smells really good. Just took it out of the microwave, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix it up. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and give this one a taste. Okay guys, if I'm being honest, this isn't what I was expecting it to taste like. I'm a little disappointed in this one. But you guys, you always know everybody got different taste buds. So I would still suggest to give it a try as something different. I tasted it again and I can't really tell you guys how it tastes. To me, I don't like it. And guys, also as you let it sit and you don't go right into it, the taste intensifies. But I would give a thumbs up to the breakfast one. That one's pretty good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.